I'm coming after you, Stormy. I'm coming after you. I'm a true Caniac, and our Canes gotta get back to winning. That's right, I'll put Stormy in a cage in a zoo if the Canes don't get back to winning. How about a super, the best first period? Can we have a good first period? You better hope so, because Stormy, I'll get him. I've already started looking for him. Yes, I have. I've already started looking for Stormy, and I'll get him and put him in a cage. You don't want that, Canes. No, you don't. Let's get back to winning. The Caniacs are hot. The Caniacs are mad. But we want to get happy. We want to get rowdy. You help us, Canes. Give us a good first period, a second period, a third period, an overtime. Yeah, power plays. Oh, what are you doing with the power plays, Canes? Come on, Hurricanes. If you care about your Stormy, you'll get your act together. Let's go, Canes!